Hey, stupid. Hey, Jesus.
I just ran with my big tummy, my long tummy, my pregnancy.
If not that, they will just do something. Hey, don't worry, I'll make sure I get them arrested in the United States.